National General Insurance Review 2025 Pros and Cons Detailed Overview. You won't believe how many insurance options are out there in 2025, but National General Insurance has built a reputation for flexible coverage and competitive pricing. But is it the right choice for you? The surprising truth is simplicity. Most people get this wrong by assuming insurance has to be confusing or expensive. National General offers straightforward auto, motorcycle, RV, and homeowners insurance policies that are easy to understand, and quotes are fast to obtain online. One major advantage is affordability. You won't believe what happens next when you see National General often provides lower premiums for high-risk drivers compared to major carriers, making it an attractive option for those with past accidents or tickets. There's also bundling options, so combining auto and home coverage can save additional money. Another benefit is coverage flexibility. The company offers liability, collision, comprehensive, and optional add-ons like roadside assistance or rental reimbursement. Customers can tailor policies to their specific needs, which is ideal if you don't want to overpay for unnecessary coverage. However, there are cons. Customer service reviews are mixed, with some policyholders reporting slower response times during claims. Also, while the pricing is competitive, discounts may not be as extensive as some larger insurers. Lastly, National General doesn't operate all 50 states, so availability may be limited depending on your location. In conclusion, National General Insurance in 2025 is ideal for drivers seeking affordable, flexible coverage, especially for high-risk profiles. While customer service and geographic limitations are considerations, its combination of competitive rates, customizable policies, and easy online access make it a strong contender for practical insurance needs.